ECOTEC EcoSBR process treats sewage water from different types of buildings. The treatment commences when sewage water from building enters the collection tank. Heavy solid particles settle to the bottom portion of the collection tank. Accumulated sewage is pumped into the reactor for treatment. Fine bubble aeration supplies oxygen to the microbes in the reactor. Microbes, also called activated sludge, multiply and consume the waste in water. In a short cleaning pulse, the discharge airlift is cleared from any sludge particle. During sedimentation phase, activated sludge settle to the bottom of the reactor while clear water zone is formed on the upper layer. Clear water is removed from the reactor through the ECOTEC airlift pump. This clear water can be further filtered for reuse and recycle. Excess sludge is pumped back to the first portion of collection tank for subsequent storage. The EcoSBR plant is now ready for the next treatment process.